Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background image on Squarespace. I'll be walking through this on the web version. First, navigate to the page where you want to change the background. Then click the Edit button in the top left corner. You'll see the page Enter Edit Mode with section outlines and editing tools appearing. Now hover your cursor over the section you want to edit. A pencil icon will appear overlaid on that section. Click the pencil icon to open the section editor panel. When the panel opens, click the Background tab. You'll see options for image, video, art, and color. We're using image here. Click the Image button to open the image selection interface. Next, click the plus button in the image section. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Upload from your computer. Your file browser will open. Choose your image file. Once selected, the image will appear as the background of your section. At this point, the background is set, but you've got a few useful styling options. If you want to add a visual effect, click Image Effect and browse the available options. The effect preview shows immediately in the section. You can also adjust the background width setting. Full bleed extends the image edge to edge across the screen, while inset creates a border around it. Choose whichever fits your design. If your text is hard to read against the background, use the Overlay Opacity slider to adjust the transparency of the color overlay. Higher opacity helps text stand out against busy images. There's also a Format tab where you can control section height, content width, and alignment if you need to adjust how your section displays. The Colors tab lets you change the overlay, color, and content theme if the default doesn't work with your image. Once you're happy with everything, click Save at the top of the page to keep editing, or click Exit, and then Save to close the editor completely. Your changes are now live on your site. 2 quick tips. Always preview your page on both desktop and mobile after changing a background image, because Squarespace crops images automatically based on screen size and the result can look different across devices. And if you've uploaded an image before anywhere on your site, you can reuse it by choosing Previously Uploaded instead of uploading the same file again. Saves time and keeps your media library cleaner. And that's how to change the background image on Squarespace. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.